Oh, we're bobbing along. We left Middle Percy Island and we're on our way down to Schofield Island, Refuge Bay. The name says it all. So we've got about 20 knots southerly. It's all a bit sloppy. And I'm playing with the radio because we haven't had any news whatsoever for a week. We've been in Middle Percy with no television, no radio, no phone, no nothing. Everybody could have died of COVID and we wouldn't know. Apart from that, we're dodging whales. There's whales everywhere. We've almost run into a couple of them. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Gotta stop. Oh my God! Pole in. Trying to run more downwind.
We're close to the shipping channel near Mackay.
No peace for the wicked, is there? I'm having a little granddad nap in my nest.
Oh. Very cute up there. You're keeping watch.
I can see what's going on. I can see my sails. Let's see if we're going to run into a whale or a ship.
Into Schofield. How's your day been, Steve?
Long. It's been a long day. We're leaving Refuge Bay, and there's a reason why they call it Refuge Bay on a day like today. And we're trying to head up to Airlie Beach, but yeah, it's fair on howling out here. 25, maybe 30 knots. We don't exactly know till we get out here. We're doing almost 7 knots with half a genoa, so that gives you an idea how much wind there is.
This is Cockermouth Island. So pretty. After our rough ride, we thought we'd just tuck in here for a little bit.
We left Refuge Bay, Scorfield Island, and headed off towards Airlie Beach, and yeah, it was a little too wild. We were looking up at the waves and getting thrown around pretty badly, and the autopilot couldn't keep up with it, so I tucked in behind a little island called Cockermouth Island. I thought we'll sit here and maybe the winds will go down in the afternoon, but they didn't, and it was reasonably comfortable. We had an island completely to ourselves, so they'll bugger it, we'll stay here for the night. So that's what we did last night. So we're taking off this morning, and we've got a southerly about 20 knots. So seas are, I'm looking down at the waves now, I'm not looking up at them. So it's much more sedate, the autopilot's handling it. So we're off to Airlie Beach to resupply. Airlie Beach. Just rounded the point and heading into Airlie Beach to anchor up for the night. Anyway, been a long day, but a successful day. So
Steve's happy face.
a couple of days, get on fuel and water and food and go again.
It's been like 5 minutes. Love me.
That's what it is. Cost me a lot of money to put this on, you know. Not cheap. That's the grand finale, you know. It's going to come up with I Love Sandy.
Sandy sailing.
There you go.